Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, September 22nd. This is my analysis for the Euro-US dollar, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, I'm pretty confident that we're in a wave C right now. I think we're going to end up making some sort of a five-wave structure to the downside. I think this over here is an A. I think we ended a wave B last week, and I think we're in a wave C of either an expanding or a running flat wave C. So keeping that in mind, taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, I mean, I definitely would still be recommending shorts. I think this whole move down is likely a wave one of wave C, and it definitely doesn't have to be over. I mean, it could make more waves to the downside, continuing to make lower lows, lower highs. At some point, it probably is going to give us a breaker structure, which could happen today. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. But when we do get a breaker structure, the first thing I would do is throw my Fibonacci retracement on there because I would expect this move up to be a wave two, probably going someplace between 38 and 78% of this move down before we get another impulsive move to the downside for a nice big wave three. So, like I said, I would definitely still be recommending shorts because it does not have to start its wave two today. It could continue to make lower lows, lower highs. So, until we get that breaker structure or like a nice significant higher low, we are still in a wave one trend on the 1 hour time frame. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.